fascinating topic which is about the acid rain. And we are going to take the measures to avoid acid rain from destroying us. When fuels are burned in factories and countries, like industries in the countries, gases containing nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur are released. These gases combine with moisture and form acids. When it rains, these acids combine with raindrops and form acid rain. Acid rain is totally dangerous and can kill aquatic life like fish, starfish and whales. It can damage the crops or even destroy them at a point. It destroys buildings and damages them. Acid rain destroys whatever it falls on. So, what are the measures we can take to destroy acid rain? So, there are two categories. One is the easiest one and one is the difficult one. For short distances, we need to avoid using cars and we can use bicycle or have a nice walk. The easiest one is we can stop the industries from polluting the mother nature and creating the dangerous acid rain. And the soil here passes through the trees and then destroys them. So, what a long journey. Hope you like this video and make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button and hashtag Twin Twinkles and see you in the next video. Bye.